Hello everyone, welcome back to Life Means More. In today's video, we are sharing some tips to manage education loan effectively. Quality education is essential for academic progress, acquiring new skill sets and enjoying a bright career. With the increased awareness regarding the significance of higher education and the increased costs involved, modern day students are increasingly resorting to education loans. The fees of some of the courses today are very high and not everyone can afford it. To help people get access to good education, banks and financial institutions introduced education loan. This financial approach fills the divide between their aspirations and the economic demands associated with academic, personal and professional development. Student loans have become a reliable and prudent financial tool for students pursuing higher education. Therefore, it is necessary to keep in mind the repayment aspect from the start of the education financing journey. Number 1. Calculating the total loan. Education loan borrowers must calculate and understand the total amount that they have to repay to the bank. This amount includes the principal amount, interest rate, fees and charges, etc. They must also be aware of all the repayment rules of the loan. When people know the total amount they have to repay to their lenders, it will become easy for them to plan their repayment. Number 2. Understanding the significance of repayment. Settling educational loans is pivotal in establishing a robust financial background for students. Hence, it becomes essential for students to grasp the fundamentals of financial planning, strategically initiating the first step towards an effective repayment strategy. This fundamental knowledge empowers students to easily manage and attain their financial goals, underscoring the importance of selecting the right plan. Number 3. Selecting the right plan. To choose the right education loan repayment plan for a secure financial future, it's crucial to consider individual circumstances and preferences. The first step in selecting the right education loan repayment plan is to evaluate the individual's current financial situation. The process of strategic budgeting helps the students understand how much they can allocate towards their loan repayment and how much they can save for their personal expenses. It is always a good idea to consult a lender who can provide personalized guidance based on an individual's unique circumstances and needs. Since students are first-time borrowers, speaking to the consultant can bring clarity and transparency. Utilizing an educational loan EMI calculator, a readily available online tool, allows students to try different combinations of tenure and loan amount to estimate the EMI promptly. This will assist in selecting the most suitable repayment amount. Number 4. Read the fine print. Understanding the complexness of the education loan is vital for developing a seamless repayment plan. Students should thoroughly review all documents, terms and details of the loan structure. Engaging in discussions with the financial provider about crucial elements such as loan amount, tenure, repayment options and EMIs is essential for formulating the most effective repayment strategy. Number 5. Plan EMI. Borrowers should set an EMI that can be paid easily. They can choose to keep it low and extend the tenure of their loan, and they can choose to pay high EMIs and shorten the tenure. They should be ready to pay more money on EMIs only if they have a good income and can afford it. Number 6. Use grace period or repayment holiday feature smartly. The grace period is not the same for every type of loan. Education loans also have a grace period or repayment holiday feature, and students should use it smartly to lower down their EMI. One way students can reduce their repayment amount is by paying off a part of the interest during their study period itself. Number 7. Avoid defaults. Defaulting on education loans can land borrowers into a lot of trouble. Their credit score will be affected and the possibility of getting loans in future will also be reduced. So, when students plan their education loan, they should ensure that they plan it in a way that their chances of becoming a defaulter is almost 0%. If students think that they will not be able to repay the full amount back to their lenders on time, they can apply for an education loan along with a co-borrower. Number 8. Pay other loans. Before taking an education loan, borrowers are advised to clear off all their previous loans. They should pay off the loans that have the highest rate of interest first. Also, if they have other loans, they should plan their monthly budget well before adding the liability of an education loan. They should be sure that they can afford it to avoid a case of default. Number 9. Earning while learning. While studying abroad, students have the option to pursue part-time jobs or internships to sustain their lifestyle. In numerous countries, student visas for full-time degree programs usually allow up to 20 hours of work per week. This enables a student to learn valuable life skills, earn some extra income to manage expenses, and save a small portion for future loan repayments. Working part-time during the study period as per the permissible limits can aid in managing the overall expenses. And number 10. Maintain a good credit score. It is important for the borrowers to maintain a good credit score so that it becomes easier to avail of an education loan. If you pay your loan on time, you will be able to avail of loans in the future in a hassle-free manner. These are just a few tips that will help borrowers in planning and managing their education loan well. That's it for today. Do like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.